Pool Day Simple Scoop is marketed as a quick cleaning pool tool that supposedly removes leaves, bugs, and debris with almost zero effort. But the real question is, does it actually make pool cleaning easier, or is the marketing overselling a basic skimmer? Now, to be fair, pool skimmers and scoop-style cleaners are genuinely useful. Even simple tools can make routine pool maintenance much faster. What it does well, can quickly remove floating debris. For leaves, bugs, grass, and surface dirt, scoop-style pool cleaners are genuinely effective, easy to use. The lightweight design makes it simple for most people to skim debris without complicated setup, where the hype falls apart. It does not clean your entire pool automatically. This is the biggest issue. A scoop only removes floating debris. It does not scrub walls, vacuum dirt, or balance water chemistry. Zero effort is pure marketing. You still have to manually skim the pool yourself. Heavy debris may still be annoying. Large leaf buildup or dirty pools can still require significant manual cleaning. So, does Pool Day Simple Scoop clean your pool with zero effort? Short answer, no, but it can still help with basic cleanup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.